nobody's fault but mine. If I die and my soul is lost, ain't nobody's fault but mine.
I had a new awareness today. There was a nephew of mine that had pulled up with my truck. He waved at me and it was awkward. I kept driving. I waved back, but it bothered me for about a good 8 years not having it cleaned up with my nephew, and I felt like I let him down. So I talked to him yesterday and I apologized to him. Sorry, that's Katie. I apologized to him and he didn't even remember it. He had no energy. Don't do it. Stay. No. Katie, good girl. I apologized to him last night and he didn't remember it. There's no energy about it. So if you're holding on to something for a long period of time that you feel bad about around a person, I'm suggesting come clean with them. Give them a call and just say, hey, I feel bad about this. And you might find out that it was all in your own head. You were dealing with it all yourself, feeling guilty and ashamed about it. And you can clean things up with people. I've been in the process of doing that for the past 2 months, and it's been so freeing, so freeing. There's people that I owe money to that I've spoken to, and not saying I've got intention to pay them back. I don't know how I'm gonna do it right now, but I have intention to pay them back, and they're letting me go. They're just like, don't worry about it. I just want to see you better. And there it is. My energy with that person has dissipated, all by contacting them. So I know in isolation you don't want to communicate, but if you can find the strength to do something like this while you're isolating, it's going to be very healing. So I recommend to you within your depression, while you're dealing with depression, and I know, remember 3.5 years, but while you're dealing with depression, reach out to those people and just share your heart. Tell them you're sorry and let them accept it or not, but you'll come clean with it and it will help heal you from your depression. I hope this has been helpful on this snowy day. Know that you're appreciated, know that you're loved, and like I always say in these videos, this is a season. Like the snow is a season, we know spring and summer are coming, so too is your depression. It will release. Just be patient with it. Give it time and reach out and communicate with those people that you have something unsaid that's bothering you. It was amazing to me. All right, 3 minutes, not bad. Have a great day and a great night, and be at peace. Accept where you are, and it will dissipate. Isolation kills. Don't forget it. God bless.